In this video, I would like to share to all of you about how to make a storefront door window in SketchUp. And first of all, you have to make basic shape with any size, and you have to push it up until as proper as possible. And then you can adjust the height and the height of the storefront itself. You can set the maybe it's around 3000 millimeter, and then you can set the height, it's around 3000 millimeter also. After that, you can select the line to make a basic frame of the storefront anyway. Then you can erase some unnecessary object, and after that you have to offset it inside until 40 millimeter, and you have to take a line tool, and then you can complete the basic frame, and you have to delete unnecessary object, and after that you have to push it to the back around 120 millimeter, then just make it group. And after that you have to make the window on the left or right side anyway. Then you can use the measure tool, then you can set the maybe it's around 700 millimeter, and you can also set this until 700 millimeter. Okay, and you can set the base plane anyway, and after that you can set the upper height of the door itself. It's around 2500 millimeter. Okay, something like this. It's just basic to make a frame anyway. Then you have to make a rectangle, and you have to push it to the front around 40 millimeter. Just make it group, and then you can make it component, just square it, and then you have just move it to the correct position anyway. And then you can move it, and you can rotate it, and press Ctrl and just type 90 degree, and you can move it to this position anyway. Then you have to put, you have to make unique, and you have to make push it back until a grid connection. Okay, you have to move it to the down. You have to move it down and make it unique, and just push it to the right side, and then just duplicate it by using move and press Ctrl. Okay, using move and press Ctrl, and then you can see about a window. Okay, then you have to make a door relief, then you can offset it inside around maybe 40 millimeter also. Then you can erase some unnecessary object, and then you can make a thickness in this frame with 40 millimeter also, and you can make it group and just make it component. So just create it, then you have to make move and press Ctrl to duplicate it, to duplicate it, and then right click and just flip along on the green axis. And then you can make additional frame in the door. You can make additional frame in the door. You can push it up until maybe 30 millimeter, right? Make group and just make component, and just move and press Ctrl, and then you have to type for maybe 5/ and just press enter, so you will look the result. And you have to delete this object and this object, you have to erase. Okay, and then you can make it group, and you can move and press Ctrl to duplicate it into the left position, and then you can use a rectangle anyway. You can use a rectangle, then you have to push it on the right side anyway to make a door handle. and then just make it group, make a component, just create it, and then just move it on the left side and just flip it along with the green axis. Then you have to move it to the appropriate position then, so you can make a door handle anyway. So you can make a door handle using this rectangle. Just push it to the front and you can adjust, and then you have to offset it and just make it group, and you can position it again and just flip it along, and after that you can move it to the right side anyway. Move it to the right side, and then you have to scale it. Then you can make it duplicate it by select object and press Ctrl to duplicate it, and then you can make some divider frame more in this. You can make some divider frame in this area. Then you can make it group, just move, and then you have to position on this. Okay, and after that you have to make a color of the frame. You have to make a color. Maybe you can select it all, then you have to make a frame it automatically. Then you have to move and press Ctrl to duplicate it. Okay, and after that you can make a door and window glass right here by following the design, something like this. You can following the every edge of the door and window, then you can get the shape. Then you have to pull it back with a standard thickness of the glass, as you know. Okay, then you can set the material, and you can set the color of the window. Then you can make a door glass. You can make a door glass also in this area, and you can push it to the front. Just make it group and just assign a material. Just move and press Ctrl it, and it finish. Okay, and you can delete some unnecessary object. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope you get a lot of benefit with this video, and wait for my next video.